Hi, today I'm front of me ZTE Axon 30 and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application because we should get the X Icon Changer app. And now let's tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just click here to open and tap continue to app. After that, we can see here all of the available applications here. For example, let's use phone app. We can rename the icon if you want. Also, you can use just new icons from your gallery here on these folders. And if you want, you can use photo from your device gallery or just to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use this one. Click here to OK on the right upper corner. Wait a little bit. Now we should skip the videos. Click here add to home screen and we can go directly to desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So now let's go to the desktop here and this is the new phone icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.